everyone, it's me, LJ Weathers / Liam Paul, and I'm just telling you that today, maybe tomorrow, I'll be giving away 3 of these blue bird minifigs. Tomorrow he will be on for sale. He's very handsome, very cute, and also has lightning power, so you have to love him. Also, I might be making more I Love Temmie merch shirts that I'll also be giving away. And make sure you subscribe with those notifications on. I want road to 30 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. And also, quick shout out goes to FNAF Gamers 103, I think. Oh wait, FNAF Gamers 0000 for subscribing to the channel. You are the best. And I will be doing a 30 subscriber special. It will be a video featuring these two guys, Birdie and Dum Dum. Birdie is the half good, is the good half of his friend Dum Dum, and Dum Dum on the other hand is, well, he's Dum Dum. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow and peace out.